Have a disciplined, detailed trading plan for each trade, entry, objective, exit, with no changes unless hard data changes. Disciplined money management means intelligent trading allocation and risk management. The overall objective is end-of-year bottom line, not each individual trade. Trade with a plan, not with hope, greed, or fear. Plan where you will get in the market, how much you will risk on the trade, and where you will take your profits. Take your lumps, just be sure they are little lumps. Very successful traders generally have more losing trades than winning trades. They don't have any hang-ups about admitting they're wrong, and have the ability to close out losing positions quickly. Analyze your losses. Learn from your losses. They're expensive lessons, you paid for them. Most traders don't learn from their mistakes because they don't like to think about them. Calculate the risk/reward ratio before putting a trade on, then guard against holding it too long. Establish your trading plans before the market opening to eliminate emotional reactions. Decide on entry points, exit points, and objectives. Subject your decisions to only minor changes during the session. Profits are for those who act, not react. Don't change during the session unless you have a very good reason. Take a position only when you know where your profit goal is and where you are going to get out if the market goes against you. Take your lumps, just be sure they are little lumps. Very successful traders generally have more losing trades than winning trades. They don't have any hang-ups about admitting they're wrong, and have the ability to close out losing positions quickly. Survive. In futures trading, the ones who stay around long enough to be there when those big moves come along are often successful. Sometimes, when things aren't going well and you're thinking about changing brokerage firms, think about just changing A's instead. Phone the manager of the local office, let him describe some of the other A's in the office, and see if any of them seem right enough to have a first meeting with. Don't worry about getting your account executive in trouble. The office certainly would rather have you switch A's than to lose your business altogether.